Here is a wonderful 2021 Toyota RAV4. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a refined and capable RAV4 that's got everything you need to make your excursions comfortable and convenient. Whether you're running errands around town or having an off-road adventure, you'll love this compact SUV's excellent visibility and extra ground clearance. And its ample cargo capacity, driver assistance tech, and multimedia infotainment system give you the confidence to relax and enjoy the drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, rear spoiler. Rugged yet refined and totally connected, this RAV4 strikes the perfect balance. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will make it the best part of your day.